Hi, I'm going to make this video to apologize about the quality of my website. Unfortunately, I use the world's worst company called Hostinger, making this so people can experience what it's like actually trying to use Hostinger. I've been trying to edit the website, but it has a glitch in the software where it automatically changes the margins for you without you actually doing anything. I'll show you right now, and they don't actually have customer service. Because what I want to do is simply, it's a very simple website. All I want to do is make text, and then I align everything using the margins. But Hostinger has some very terrible software that makes automatic changes you can't control. What happens is once you expand the text, it will automatically shrink the margins. Now, everything I've done, I've aligned because I want to use the text. But you'll start, the pictures are aligned, the indentations are aligned, but it won't stay there because Hostinger will automatically shrink it. See, it's going right now. You can see the words changing. Right there, just did it again. And eventually it will get so narrow that it's just a single column and you can't control it. I used Wix before and it worked. Hostinger doesn't work at all. I don't know how anyone is able to create a website with the auto change feature that completely destroys all your formatting and where you lay out your pictures. If you're thinking why don't I call customer service, the answer is Hostinger doesn't have customer service. You can only reach them by chat, and what they will say is ultimately we don't know what's wrong. We're going to send it to software engineering, and they'll send you an email. But they won't ever send you an email. When you get that message from Hostinger, what it means is we're not doing anything. You're stuck with it. So this is what happens when you try to create a website on Hostinger, is that it will change it for you so it's not actually possible to create a website the way you want it, because the computer will change it for you, and eventually this will be a very narrow column. And if you're asking if because this is a large text box, not really. It's because the on top is a small text box. This one is also shrinking. That one right there. So that's what happens, and it's doing it right now. I'm not doing anything. It's just shrinking. And that's, the software is actually horrible. And it's not that you can't, you can't do anything with it. Like when I was trying to scroll up and down on the page, it deleted it. I didn't press any buttons, just scrolling up and down will automatically delete the entire web page without you making any inputs. So that's what's wrong with the software, is that it just shrinks everything, changes everything, and it's actually impossible to create a website using Hostinger, and there is no customer support and there's no way to fix it. I asked them to fix it, asked them what to do. They don't know. They don't get back to you. It's Hostinger. This is the problem with this company. If you're looking for a website host, I would suggest using someone else if you actually want to be able to create a website, and not have everything destroyed and you waste more time trying to undo what Hostinger does to your site. There have been a lot of complaints about Hostinger. I gave them a chance because of their pricing, but I realized that you're getting what you're paying for and you're not getting anything. You're getting unusable web hosting service that simply cannot work. I don't know how it's possible to use Hostinger to make a real website when it changes. Choose another company. Hostinger does not work. It has no customer service. They will not fix anything. You will waste your time using Hostinger. Thank you.